The weld table is gone. Adam LZ.
This thing is so cool.
Want to do Dwifty?
Dwifty, I love Dwifty.
Oh my God.
We're super stoked to work with Borla. Their bread and butter is like bolt-on applications for normal cars that you probably own.
You talking to me?
Do you think when we said let's do something, they thought 1,000 horsepower, party mobile, 4 seats?
No.
Pushing 2,000 horsepower.
Ooh. Are you the boss or is he the boss?
Is that a question?
I'm the boss. They're gonna break up today.
Rolls Royce update. I'm sorry, I can't do it like Zach. Can you?
No, I can't.
Rolls Royce update. That's all you get. I'm sorry, guys. But we're back in Area 69, and the weld table is gone. It's a big table. Where is it? Soupy, where's the table?
Oh, look at that. Why are you picking it up from the bottom? What are you doing? Would you wait till I'm done?
This is Sparta!
What's that? Go down? No, this ain't gonna work, bud.
Bro, I got it. We're good. What happens if it falls?
This is wild. So a lot of progress has been made. These guys work around the clock. So Alex fully welded the cage to the Art Morrison chassis, so now it is kind of like a car. We've got steering, we've got pedals, everything coated in steel it. You know how we do around here.
What else did we do?
That's a lot already.
Okay, let's check out the pedals.
You gotta give the noises with
There's 3 of them.
This thing is a hog right here.
Let me guess. There was bars here, but Scotto came in.
Scotto came in and said, hey man, I don't fit.
Every single thing I've ever built has had to be rebuilt because Scotto comes and sits in it. So we have to modify it for him
And then he never drives it.
never drive.
So what Dan is getting at is there used to be a crossbar here for the harness and whatnot, and yeah, it's not in there anymore. That's one thing they gotta rebuild, but with Steel It, you can weld over the paint and then repaint it again, so that's always nice. But I guess it's almost time to drop the body on for final fitment, or what?
Yep. We're gonna try to drop the body down, and you and I could probably, we could all weld it to the chassis.
We? Okay. I heard you say you and I, and then you said
yeah,
we.
You couldn't see the face behind the camera.
I can weld.
He can, he learned.
Alex taught me everything I know.
That's right.
That's a lie.
So weld it to the chassis, let's get it into one piece, fuel system. I mean, there's a lot left.
So basically make a car a car. All right, so checklist. Weld stuff.
Weld stuff.
Fuel stuff.
You got a dirty ass thumb.
Ew. Weld stuff, fuel stuff. You said it's time to get to work, right? All right, cool. Let me,
You know, I don't even care. Just sit there and hold the camera.
I'm getting to work. Get the right height. There we go. Oh, yep. All right.
Such disrespect.
At what point does this come off of this?
Oh, that's what the 2x4 is for.
The 2x4s go on top of the bars. And that's enough room to slide out?
Yes. Hold it. Oh. Down. Now we're stuck.
This was the plan.
Let it rest on the 2x4 and you can slide that thing out. Jump right back there. Oh, shit.
Soup, what's the next part of this plan?
I don't know. I think we're gonna lift.
Lift what?
The body? Maybe?
How?
It's a bunch of dudes.
Guys being dudes.
Oh, physically, us lift it.
Go lower. Watch your fingers, Tony. And it doesn't fit.
Oh, it's gonna drop so hard. Oh!
And you say we don't appreciate you.
We partnered up with Chemical Guys. I'm using Max Coat Wheel Guard with a Monster Fluff glue applicator. Enhance a deep, high gloss shine with durable protection with Wheel Guard. Max Coat is an advanced wheel coating sealant by helping repel brake dust, dirt, and road grime. Shine right up. Keep your wheels cleaner for longer. If you love your wheels, treat them right with Wheel Guard. Smells good. You can eat it. Have a sniff, huh? Pair the wheel guard with the Monster Fluff microfiber applicator. Give it the smoothest, safest application possible. It's an easy-to-apply product that melts onto your wheel. Like butter, baby. This durable wheel coating lasts through extreme heat and high-performance brakes. Wipe it all down. It works quite nice. Look at that smooth shine. Wipe on, wipe off, no problem. Look at that wheel. Chemical Guys. Can't go wrong. Chemical Guys make products and accessories to help clean, shine, and protect your ride. They have solutions for almost everything on your car, even the stuff you don't even think about, like undercarriages and stuff like that. They also offer detail classes at all of their locations, all over the US and Canada, even the UK. It's called Detail Garage. So if you don't know how to do it, have them teach you how to applicate stuff on your car. They have over 1,000 videos to teach you how to detail your car. Doesn't matter what it is, just hop on their YouTube, YouTube/user/Chemical Guys. You can find all of the Chemical Guys products on Amazon. So if you haven't made it into a local parts store or detail garage, get it on Amazon. You can check out all their stuff on social media for new products every single day.
Headliner, he can't, it's black. Oh, wow. Yo, that shit looks good.
Yeah, that's sweet. Yeah, we gotta take the body off. You know why?
Why?
You gotta do the stars.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta do the stars.
Come on.
Alex actually suggested the stars. Soupy shut it down.
Dang.
It looks good, but yeah, you gotta pull it off.
Take it off.
Is that pedal box like really far forward?
Yeah, the steering is far forward.
I mean, Dan will fit.
Yeah, with the steering in my chest.
Fits nice. Good job.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. It's crazy how little you look in there. So it's pretty much done, right?
Yeah, all that's left is everything.
Are we gonna do the Starry Night? How did you not do that?
Alex even suggested it.
Soupy, how do we not have the Starry Night in here?
I'm gonna order the one that glow in the dark that you stick on your kid's ceiling.
He will.
Yeah, I know. Well, Soupy and Alex decided to do some of the, is it harder work? No, they're just picking up some pieces back there. Hurt and I decided to take a difficult job, which is to head down to Sparco and pick up some new seats. It's been very difficult in the air conditioning.
This was a tough drive, man.
I am almost exhausted.
You ready?
Oh, man. I mean, I guess we gotta lift the heavy boxes up.
Really difficult job today.
Sheesh. It's ridiculous.
You see this?
You see your face in it. It's absolutely. I always forget this is here.
Me too.
Hey, it's my helmet.
You got that one? Man, these shoes are kind of sick.
Are we just shopping for ourselves?
Yeah.
We leave and forget the Rolls Royce.
Should.
Sheesh. All right, so this is Alan from Sparco. I always come here, but I never got to meet Alan or check out his Corolla, so I'm super excited to see this thing. I didn't know all of this was in there. Usually you see a beautiful car like this, and it's pretty tame under here, but this isn't a parking piece. It looks like a parking piece.
Good.
Yeah. No, that's sweet, man.
Yeah, I only do grip in this one though. All this and it makes 100 horsepower. But then I have an 80 shot, so I got direct port right here. So that's my little push to pass.
And an 80 shot probably feels really nice on this.
Yeah, it's not Fast and Furious like Burnout tires or anything. But it definitely has a little kick.
Bring some life to it.
Yeah.
The induction noise, though, I can only imagine.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Definitely feel like you get the initial deep feels though if he passed you in a straight.
Yeah, super cool. Well, I think you know why we're here. I got some stuff for
Let's get you
the
guys some seats.
Rolls Royce. Yep.
These are them, eh? 4 of them. Leave it to us to always have a mess. Which seat do we have, Alex?
Oh, we're doing this. We're doing the camera
I gotta see it. So this is one of their newest ones, QRT-R. This one's available in carbon, all kinds of cool stuff. That's too nice for us.
There's a half seat in the back.
Yeah.
Dude, how cool is that?
Isn't that rad?
So cute. Wait, is this for your kids? Oh, that's nice.
Ooh. This is the front seats, rear seats. Matching leather, they look good.
Let's not sit on the...
Put a bubble wrap underneath it. Get in there, Alex. Give you a test fit.
Oh, that's a nice seat, Alex.
That's a nice seat.
I give it a pass.
All right, so we made it back from Sparco.
I showed them the seats.
You showed them the seats already? Okay, they've seen the seats. I haven't seen them in the car.
We got excited we want to put it in.
Look at this. Obviously, there's some fitment. You know, it's just sitting on a slab of wood. So
This is the best part of building a car is when you get to this point where you can actually play race car.
You got it. I can't move my hips any further.
Got nice seat bolsters. This is kind of a stretch for me, which is good, but for all of us, it'll be nice.
A lot of room. Scotto's head would only be that much higher in a seating position.
Scotto's 6'8", but sitting down, he's only like 4 feet. Yeah, we're the same height sitting down.
We should do this to prove this. So what are you guys gonna do next that we're gonna pretend that we did?
Finish the car. Should we just set all the seats in the car and just leave?
Bye. Thanks, Sparco. These are rad. Appreciate you. Back in Area 69, we picked up Sparco seats, right?
We picked up Sparco seats last time.
And now we
What's good, man?
Hey, Adam LZ.
Dude, this thing is so cool. So I have not seen any of the videos you guys have put out on this thing yet. This is like a full tube chassis car. It's not like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just clarifying.
Yes, it does not come like this from the factory at Rolls-Royce. We actually took the Art Morrison chassis, built the cage around it, and then we put the car on top of it.
So was it designed for this body, or is it just a standard chassis?
Yes, so Art Morrison designed it for this body. So it's the same thing as like Scotto's Nova. They designed a specific chassis for it. You basically turned it into a functional sports car. Of course, we got Sparco seats in this bad boy. We're gonna put back seats too, so you know we can have a little Forsberg vibe.
Yeah, I know. Y'all are stepping up the drift car game.
Hellcat, Dodge motor, big diff, big transmission.
Like, is this out of a Hellcat, or is this like
Yeah,
a
so
Hellcat motor?
so Dodge has crate packages.
And that's what this is?
Yeah.
Come like turnkey, pedal set,
Yep.
plug and play?
Yep, everything.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, we're just trying to, like, we built a lot of dumb shit, so now we're trying to build cool dumb shit, you know?
This has got to be at least a year-long project now.
No, this is a month and a half.
That is wild.
The main gut of the build is just Soupy and Alex. And then we supervise them.
Yeah.
We're really good
How do you
supervisors.
fit, by the way? I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, the pedals are a little close.
Well,
Yeah.
the seat can move back.
The seat rails that we help make are really good.
The fabric in this is
Yeah.
really nice, too.
Yeah, no, we got pretty good guys on this thing.
Alex is really good.
Yeah, Alex is pretty good. We don't say nice things to him out loud. Yeah. If you see him, say, hey, f***er.
Damn. I love how you have headliner, too.
Yo, they dropped the ball, though. They didn't make a Starry Night.
Is this Steal It?
Yes.
I love Steal It.
Yeah, steal it on everything.
Yeah. Y'all get hooked up by Steal It?
Do you?
No, I need a plug.
What?
That stuff has been like changing the game.
We got to get to work, Adam. So
Okay.
you're here to pick up a car?
I was here to check out a car. I haven't even seen it. It's been sitting for a year and a half. Colette surprised me with a wrap, and I never got to check it out. First time seeing it.
Go do a burnout. All right, before we get to work, we're going to have a little shred sesh.
We good, homie?
Yeah, you good? Dwifting.
Want to do Dwifting?
Dwifting, I love dwifting. Oh my God. I was like, there's no way he's going that. Yep, he did that.
I don't know.
That was sick, dude.
It didn't even get hot.
That was sick. The rolling trash can too.
Yeah, it was sick.
This is a pretty fun spot, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Hoonigan, we are 10 years old. We've got the date right here. When we first started out, we made stencils. Now we're making a stencil again. Last one was plastic. This one's metal. We're gonna tag our wall with these stencils. And as they get painted, they're gonna go to you guys. We're gonna put these in a nice box for you. Only 150. We painted them. We'll probably sign them too.
What are you doing there? Taking the seat out so I can steal it. Oh no, it's underneath to the engineering. These are pretty.
These are cool. You want to throw them at things?
Yeah.
And get it done, and don't forget the knob.
It's okay. Do we need respirators?
No, we can turn on the sucker. Feel it coating.
A few moments later.
They look really good. I mean, they look okay. Don't tell Alex. 120 teeth in this mother.
Do these smell like pee?
Your hand probably smells like pee.
It's not my hand. They don't smell like pee. They smell like metal.
How come it fits on the first? It doesn't fit on the first. It doesn't work. Why doesn't it work, Alex?
It's a work in progress, Eugene.
So you built all this shit for show? I thought it was pretty sick at first.
It is sick.
How do you?
Easy. It does fit real good. See, look at how it just fit.
Radiator, not radiator. There's a middle radiator. So it goes into the top of the middle one, and then it flows down. The middle one goes to the passenger side, up through this side, to the driver's side, down through this one, and out through here. It's just basically a big 3 radiator system.
There's 3?
There's 3 radiators in here.
Where's the other one?
In the middle, the big one in the middle.
Oh, so there's a, wow.
Hellcats, I think, have more than 1 radiator.
Really?
I think so.
This is all you guys do around here? Whoa. Why are you so delicate? Why are you so? You're such a delicate human being. What? Just get out of here. Since we're the only ones around here who get anything done. On a serious note, Sparco seats are mounted. We threw some steel on the mounts. They're nice and pretty as everything else is in this car. Get in there. Let's see it. Pretend you're a passenger, Subi's driving, and he's attempting proximity on.
Oh no!
You just.
You're so comfortable.
This is coming along really nice. I didn't expect to see the seats mounted this quickly. I thought it was going to take a little more time, but
that's when you feel like it's a race car.
There's pedals, there's a seat, there's a motor, there's a transmission. Aside from that, we basically finished what Brian started. So fuel cell is mounted, fully bracketed up. No, Bracket Brian didn't do that. We
all did this together.
Did this. Got the Holley fuel pressure regulator and the pumps mounted.
Filters.
Lines made. Yeah, we're gonna do a dry brake setup in the stock location as well. So that's to come. Big progress, big moves. I think this car's gonna start next episode.
Wishful thinking.
Hey, hit him with it. Hit him with it. That thing is juicy. Alex, look at it. Alex, look at that thing. Once your eyes hit it, it's gonna stop. Once your eyes hit it. Yeah. I make it feel.